It's Friday the 13th. We're here on the Wasatch Plateau. We're up in Upper Electric Lake because the trail was broke. We've come back up here today to kind of look at the snowpack. We had 12 to 16 inches of new snow settle according to the snow test stations, but that's now settled down to about 10 centimeters. And you can see we're growing nice surface hoar here on the surface. This is our new snow layer in here, but it's settled out to certainly less than a foot and sitting on top of the old snow, but there's not much change here, and it's starting to deteriorate any crusts that were in here except for one right down here, and that's starting to deteriorate in the temperature gradient. And then we've got some really large grain stuff down in here. So Steve got a compression test set up right here. You know, coming up the up track, we were pretty much having to break trail through most of this snowpack. It's just not, certainly not getting any stronger. Let me stand back and we'll do this extended column test. Okay. So we had a little bit of a fracture without propagation. This is 2 storms ago, so this would be a lot older snow down about right there. But certainly we don't have much of a hazard here today because we just don't have a slab on this stuff quite yet. The wind's been calm up until now. Skies are turning cloudy, and we're starting to get some very, very light snowfall and starting to pick up some light winds out of the southwest. We're not concerned about our snowpack in here today. We're going to try a little steeper terrain, a few ski cuts, see what happens. We're still real leery of rocks, and there's a lot of windfall down, making getting around rather difficult. But we're okay with the snowpack here. The bigger concern will be is if we really do have winter come here to the Wasatch Plateau of burying these very weak layers in here. They're going to persist for a while. The temperatures have come up some. We're not in the sub-zero anymore. But the gradient still exists in the shallow pack. Right here we had about 70 centimeters of snow here with 60 at Miller Flat.